Hello students, I hope you people are fit and fine. Welcome to St. Michael's e-learning classes. And you know that in last class we started an extract from autobiography written by Khushwant Singh, his autobiography, and the name of the chapter is The Portrait of a Lady. In this chapter, last class we had discussed that Khushwant Singh is discussing about his grandmother, how she was appearing, and we had completed, I think, first second paragraph. The next paragraph we will start today. In this paragraph, in third paragraph, we will find the relations between the poet and his grandmother, sorry, writer and his grandmother. What was the relation? You see, my grandmother and I were good friends. He is talking about his grandmother. My parents left me with her when they went to live in the city, and we were continuously together. So here he is telling that when he was a young boy, a child, his parents left him, they moved to city, and he was residing with his grandmother. She used to wake me up in the morning and get me ready for school. And the grandmother, she was taking care of the child. She said her morning prayers in a monotonous. What do you mean by monotonous? Monotonous like, did you hear about it? Monotonous, that is stereotype, a single routine that is going on. घिसा पिटा एक routine जो चल रहा है. Monotonous, that is a stereotype. Monotonous sing song. So every day in the morning she used to have a prayer song that she used to sing and get to know it by, sorry, while she part and dressed me in the hope that I'd listen and get to know it by heart. And generally that hope was there in the mind of grandmother or in the heart of grandmother that the child will learn it by heart. But was it happening? You see, I listened, I heard, but because I loved her voice but never bothered to learn it. So he was not getting trouble. He was not so much anxious, so much eager to learn that song, but he really loved the song because it was sang by her grandmother. Then she would fetch my wooden slate. In those days, small kids, today you are using copies. In tender age you start using copies, but in those days students were having generally pre-primary students, they had slates with pencil, with chalk. They used to use while writing, they used chalks. So wooden slate which she had already washed and plastered with yellow chalk, a tiny earthen ink pot. Ink pot was also there. Earthen means what? Earthen pot, मिट्टी से बने हुए जो बर्तन होते हैं ना, and a red pen. So these all things she would carry, she would get the things ready and then all in a bundle and hand it to me. After a breakfast of a thick stale chapati. What do you mean by stale chapati? Stale chapati, that is basi roti with a little butter and sugar spread on it, we went to school. So after having his breakfast of what? Stale chapati with a little butter, he used to go to school with the butter that grandmother had prepared for him. Every day he used to do the same. She carried several stale chapatis with her for the village dogs. और वो अपने लिए अपने साथ क्या रखती थी? स्टेल चपातीज विलेज डॉग्स के लिए रखती थी. So these were the things going on in his life when he used to stay with his grandmother. My grandmother always went to school with me because the school was attached to the temple. So maybe she has to go to the temple for prayer and the child had to go to school. So grandmother generally accompanied him in order to go to the temple and in order to drop the child to the school. The priest taught us the alphabet and morning prayer, and the priest was there who used to teach them. Pujari was there while the children sat in a row on either side of the veranda singing the alphabet or the prayer in a chorus. What do you mean by it? It's your homework. The word is your homework, student. I hope in class 10 also in junior classes you have heard this word, but again you have to find it out. So they used to go to school. The grandmother was there because she has to go to temple. She dropped the child to the school and then she used to go to temple because the school was attached to the temple. And there they used to learn who taught them? The priest, alphabet and prayer. My grandmother sat inside reading the scriptures. What do you mean by scriptures? Holy book of any religion, particular religion like Bible of Christians, Gita of Hindus, like this. When we had both finished, we would walk back together. They returned back. This time the village dogs would meet us at the temple door. They followed us to our home, growling, Gudrana, and fighting with each other for the chapatis we threw to them. And grandmother, she had still chapatis with her and she used to throw still chapatis to stray dogs. What do you mean by stray dogs? Stray dogs जो आवारा कुत्ते बाहर घूमते रहते हैं, उनको grandmother chapatis दिया करती थी. When my parents were comfortably settled in city, they sent for us. So they called them. When they settled, when they went to city, they left the child with the grandmother. When they settled comfortably, now they called the child and the grandmother. That was a turning point in our friendship. So they were having a very special bond because almost for 24 hours the child was there with grandmother. She was taking care of the child and she was teaching him the good manners and other things also, especially the child needs at a tender age. Now they had to move to city and it became a turning point in their life, especially the bond that they were sharing. What happened next we will see. Although we shared the same room, they were having the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me because in school, the school was attached with temple and they used to go together. Here, what happened? You see, I used to go to an English school in a motor bus. Now, he got admitted in an English medium school, and he used to go to school by motor bus, and that's why grandmother was not going with him. There were no dogs in the street and she took to feed sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. So now grandmother, maybe she was very much in love with nature, animals, birds, because we found that and she was kind-hearted also, no doubt, because she used to feed who? Stray dogs with the stale chapatis, and here she was feeding who? The birds, and the child used to go to school by motor bus. So now the relation is changing because now he is getting a new environment, new friends. He is residing with his mother and father also. Previously, only grandmother was there. She was the only friend of him. Now he was getting a new world, and that's why probably the relationship, the friendship that they shared, the bond that they shared, it was changing. Now you see. As the years rolled by, what do you mean by when the years passed? Okay, with the rolling of time, समय बीतने के साथ, we saw less each other. You felt the same when you were a small boy or a girl. You used to spend more and more time with your parents and your grandparents, your friends. Are you getting the same time? Are you getting enough time to enjoy with your family members and other neighbors, your friends? No, it is not possible. It's not like this that you are changed completely. The reason is that you don't have time. We don't have time for anybody. Even your parents, they are very good with your grandmothers, but they don't have grandmother or grandfather, but they don't have time to spend with them. So that's why people are generally having this idea in their mind, this thought in their mind that the person this or that person is changed completely with the passage of time. It's not like this. The reason is we all are busy in our life, we all are busy in the rat race of life, and that's why we are not getting time to spend with our near and dear ones. The same happened because the child had taken admission in an English medium school and now he doesn't have time for his grandmother. Maybe the loads of books, the loads of syllabus is there, and that's why he was not getting time. Now see, for some time she continued to wake me up and get me ready for the school. When I came back, she would ask me what the teacher had taught me. It is happening with you whenever you used to return from your school to home. Your parents ask what happened today, what did you do in the school, what did your teacher teach. The same is happening. Or maybe in classes standard level your parents are not asking, but in junior classes obviously they were asking to you. Similarly, it was happening with the child, and the grandmother used to ask, what did your teacher teach? I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning. So whatever the teacher taught him in the school, he used to share with grandmother. The law of gravity, Archimedes principle, the world being around, etc. So lots of things the teacher had taught, he used to share with the grandmother when he used to come to home after attending his classes. This made her unhappy. Why? Because they used to teach science. They used to teach foreign language, but they never taught about the culture or the religion, especially about the scriptures that she used to go through it. This made her unhappy. She could not help me with my lessons. This is another reason. She used to spend enough time when they were in the village. Now the child, he didn't have time, and the grandmother, she was unable to know what exactly the child was telling about English words or something related to science, the law of gravity and Archimedes principle and other world around. That's why this is another reason. She was unable to understand what exactly the child was telling, and she was unable to help him in his studies. That's why she was unhappy. She did not believe in the things they taught at the English school and was distressed. What do you mean by distressed? Distressed means disappointed. Disappointed. Nirasha. That there was no teaching about God and scriptures, and she was completely disappointed because he used to share whatever the teacher taught, but there was no mentioning of God or scriptures. One day I announced that we were being given music lessons. Probably in your school also you are getting. So one day he announced, he proclaimed another word of announcement, that is proclamation, that they will get music class, music lessons in this school. She was very disturbed. Now the grandmother became very disturbed. Why? To her, music had huge association. What do you mean by this word? That you can say huge association. It means this is indignified form, right? It was the monopoly of harlots and beggars and not meant for gentlefolk. Now this sentence is your homework, student. First sentence, first word I had given already. Now this sentence is your homework. It was the monopoly of parrots and beggars and not meant for gentlefolk. You just get it? Again we will discuss tomorrow. She said nothing, but her silence meant disapproval. But although she was not in position to contradict, she was not in position to take the child away from the school, but it shows she became silent. It shows that she disapproved it. She rarely talked to me after that, and after that she became so sorry, she became so sad and disappointed that rarely, hardly she used to talk to him. That's all for today, students. Till here we had completed a little bit. I will give you in Hindi. What happened when they moved to the city? पहले खुशवंत सिंह अपनी ग्रैंड मदर के साथ विलेज में रहते थे, उन्हीं के साथ स्कूल जाते थे। स्कूल के पास ही टेम्पल स्कूल से जुड़ा हुआ टेम्पल था। ग्रैंड मदर अपने स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़ा करती थी और बच्चे खुशवंत, छोटे खुशवंत जो थे वो भी पढ़ाई किया करते थे स्कूल में, और साथ में वो स्टिल चपातीस ले जाया करते थे डॉग्स को खिलाने के लिए। ये ग्रैंड मदर का काइंड हार्टेड होना दिखाता है। उसके बाद वे शहर में आ गए जब उनके पेरेंट्स पूरी तरह से वहाँ सेटल कर गए, वेल सेटल्ड हो गए, शहर में आ गए। अब इनकी दोस्ती जो है वो पूरी तरह से फ्रेंडशिप जो बॉन्ड है वो चेंज होने लगी। उनका रिलेशन जो एक था, आत्मीयता आज भी थी, बट दे डिडंट हैव टाइम फॉर ईच अदर। ग्रैंड मदर ने अब बच्चे के साथ स्कूल नहीं जा पाती थी बिकॉज वो मोटर बस से जाते थे, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे जहाँ पे उन्हें साइंस की शिक्षा दी जाती थी, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज की शिक्षा दी जाती थी। और ग्रैंड मदर इसको देखकर बहुत ही उदास हो जाया करती थी बिकॉज गॉड और स्क्रिप्चर्स के बारे में जानकारी उन्हें नहीं मिलती थी। एक दिन इन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि उन्हें एक दिन बताया कि उन्हें स्कूल में अब म्यूजिक लेसन्स पढ़ाए जाएंगे, म्यूजिक की शिक्षा दी जाएगी। नाउ ग्रैंड मदर बिकेम वेरी सैड, शी बिकेम साइलेंट बिकॉज शी फाउंड दैट ये जो म्यूजिक की शिक्षा है ये बच्चों को नहीं दी जानी चाहिए क्योंकि इसमें डिग्निटी नहीं होती। I hope you understood. In next class we will continue. Thank you students. Have a nice day.